Today we will talk about a historical figure whom some consider a hero, while others see him as a villain. I am talking about Muhammad bin Qasim. So the question is, was Muhammad bin Qasim a hero or a villain? And what happened to him in the end? After achieving such great victories, what was his fate? Let's explore this historical aspect from every angle. Dear friends, Muhammad bin Qasim was born in 695 AD in Taif. He belonged to a famous Qurayshi tribe, and his uncle, Hajjaj bin Yusuf, was a powerful governor of the Umayyad Caliphate at that time. It was Hajjaj who chose Muhammad bin Qasim for the Sindh expedition. At just 17 years old, Muhammad bin Qasim was given command of a large army, which is a testament to his abilities. Reasons for the invasion of Sindh. Traditional theory. According to most historians, the primary reason for Muhammad bin Qasim's invasion was the looting of Arab merchants. A trade convoy near Dibal was attacked, which included Muslim women. These women appealed to Hajjaj bin Yusuf for help, and Hajjaj ordered Muhammad bin Qasim to attack Sindh. Alternative theory. Hajjaj bin Yusuf al-Thaqafi, 661–714 AD, was a notorious governor of the Umayyad Caliphate, known for his harshness and cruelty. It is widely recorded that Hajjaj particularly targeted the al-Bayt, Sayyids, and their supporters. After the tragedy of Karbala, followers of the al-Bayt faced persecution in Arab lands. Hajjaj continued this oppression during his rule. To escape these atrocities, many Sayyids fled to other regions, including Iran, Khorasan, and India. Some accounts suggest that the local ruler of Sindh, Raja Dahir, granted refuge to these Sayyids. It is also said that Hajjaj ordered Muhammad bin Qasim to invade Sindh to capture or punish these Sayyids, and the looted caravan incident was merely an excuse. Muhammad bin Qasim's conquests. Muhammad bin Qasim began his campaign by capturing the port city of Dibal. He then moved forward to conquer Naran Kot, modern-day Hyderabad, and eventually reached Multan. He showed some degree of justice towards the local population, allowing religious freedom, but the battles also resulted in heavy bloodshed. Hero or villain? Arguments for hero. Muhammad bin Qasim introduced Islam to Sindh and established mosques. He granted religious freedom to the local population and did not forcibly convert them. He established a system of justice and improved the tax system. Arguments for villain. He invaded a sovereign state and killed thousands. Some sources state that after the capture of Dibal, there was widespread bloodshed, and women and children were enslaved. He was following the Umayyad Caliphate's agenda, which aimed only for territorial expansion. What was the real reason? Some historians believe the caravan incident was just a pretext, and the real goal was political expansion and targeting the Sayyids sheltered in Sindh. Interestingly, after his conquests, Muhammad bin Qasim did not harm most of the Sayyids, and many eventually settled in Sindh, adding complexity to this theory. Political conspiracy and downfall. Despite all his victories, Muhammad bin Qasim met a tragic end. There is significant debate among historians about his fate. After the death of his powerful uncle, Hajjaj bin Yusuf, major political shifts occurred in the Umayyad Caliphate. Caliph Walid bin Abdul Malik died, and Sulayman bin Abdul Malik became the new caliph. Sulayman, a staunch opponent of Hajjaj, targeted all of Hajjaj's loyalists, including Muhammad bin Qasim. Imprisonment and torture. According to traditional sources, Sulayman summoned Muhammad bin Qasim back to Damascus, had him arrested on false charges, and imprisoned him. Historians say he was subjected to severe torture, left hungry and thirsty, and beaten in prison. Some accounts claim he died while in captivity. Death sewn in cowhide, a controversial account. One of the most famous but controversial accounts suggests that Muhammad bin Qasim was sewn into raw cowhide as a punishment. As the sun's heat intensified, the hide shrank, crushing his body under immense pressure. Eventually, he suffocated and died en route. This story reflects the brutal political rivalries of the time. While some historians believe it to be true, others consider it exaggerated folklore. Regardless, it's clear that Muhammad bin Qasim's end was cruel and unjust. Causes and conspiracies. Political revenge. Sulayman bin Abdul Malik deeply resented Hajjaj bin Yusuf and directed his anger towards Muhammad bin Qasim. Court conspiracies. Some accounts claim that local rulers of Sindh conspired against Muhammad bin Qasim and influenced the caliph to halt his expansion. Personal vendettas. Another popular yet unverified story suggests that Raja Dahir's daughters lodged complaints against Muhammad bin Qasim in the caliph's court, further fueling Sulayman's rage. What's the truth? It is certain that Muhammad bin Qasim faced a cruel and unjust fate. However, the specific details, such as the cowhide story, remain disputed among historians. Some see it as symbolic storytelling, amplifying the tragedy of his end. Final thoughts. So, what do you think? Was Muhammad bin Qasim a hero or a villain? Share your thoughts in the comment. If you want us to cover a specific historical figure or event, let us know in the comments. We look forward to your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the next part.